Hello everybody, this is Terry Jeanette with Be Creative. Today I am going to show you a couple things I got from my friends at New Craft Day. And one of them is this knitting loom. It's actually a Pom Pom maker. And there's 4 different sizes in this box. And I'm going to get them out and we are actually going to make a Pom Pom. I'm going to use some white yarn because I'm actually going to make like a snowball, but I'll get to that in a little bit. And I think this is the size I want to use. And it's made out of plastic, and you just open it up like so. You open up the other side. You have something that looks like this, and then you take your yarn. You find the end of the yarn and you just start wrapping these arches. So if you're interested in getting one of these cool little gadgets, I will leave information down in the description box below where you can get yours. It's from New Craft Day, and I'll also leave a coupon code for you. Now when you're wrapping, you want to make sure you're wrapping in the middle and you're not wrapping like that. You don't want it to go over the little flat part there. Just stay in the center. I'm not really for sure how to tell you how many times around. You just want to make sure it's covered really well. So now I'm taking the yarn and I'm putting it through that little slit there. And then I'm closing it up and going around and around on the other curve on the other side. And once you get all that done, close that side up. And then you need to go ahead and clip that yarn. Basically, this is what you have here, and you're going to get a pair of scissors and cut in the middle. And I'll show you that in just a second. First, though, I want to show you these scissors that I also got at New Craft Day. They're really pretty. I love the color of them. So I'm just going to use my new scissors to trim off the yarn, and then I'm going to cut, I needed to probably cut about a foot. I didn't cut enough on here, but a foot is a good length, and then just set it aside. And now we're going to cut in the middle here. I usually like to start in the middle. And sorry I'm out of the frame here, but I'll get back in the frame here in just a second. Just trim all the little pieces. Just going to flip it around and trim the other side. Here's a little closer look on these scissors. They've got little filigree on them. They're really nice. Once you have it all trimmed, and make sure everything is trimmed, you take that piece of yarn that you trimmed off, it's about 1 foot, and you feed it into the center there, and you're going to tie a knot. So tie it once, it goes through the middle there, make sure you tighten it, and then you're going to tie it again to make a knot. Now if you don't tie it twice, when you do the next step, it will probably fall apart. So make sure you tie a knot. Once you got your knot tied, you're going to flip these little boogers open on one side and then the other. And then you're just going to pull it apart. There is a pin in the middle, a metal pin that's holding these together. And it is a little tight. Once you get it together, you can put it right back together again. Like so. And fold it back up. There you go. It's all put back together again. So now for our pom-pom, we're all done. Just fluff it up a little bit. May need a few little trimmings here and there, but for the most part, it is finished. So what to do with a pom-pom? Well, there's quite a few things you could do with a pom-pom. You can make little hats and put them on top of your hats. Here, I made this snowman and put a little pom-pom on top of its hat. Today, though, I'm going to make this into an ornament, and I'm just going to take this wooden bead and feed it onto these 2 pieces of yarn, but as you see, I'm having a little issues trying to get that on there. But wait, you can use a pin or a needle. This isn't a pin, it's a needle. Use a needle that has a big eye, but you want to make sure that the eye is going to fit through your bead, which I had already done. So I'm just feeding the yarn through there. Got my wooden bead, there we go, and then I'm just going to tie a knot so the bead won't fall off, and then another knot at the top, and we have a little ornament. So I'm planning on making several of these little snowball pom-pom ornaments. I don't think I'm going to take my tree down, my Christmas tree down this year. Instead, every month or so, I'm going to redecorate it in the season thereof. So I thought January it would be kind of nice to have a winter tree and do it all in white. Thanks for joining me, and y'all have a great day. This is Terry Jeanette with Be Creative, signing out for now. Bye-bye.